say we like lived inside Whole Foods and we could just go pick out like a piece of each vegetable, your smoothie would be just freaking gigantic. Yeah, so the greens powder that you drink in the morning, what is the difference between that and just blending, not juicing some whole food?
Oh, great question. So
That's
first
a
of
good
all,
question,
the difference between blending and juicing is blending, you just throw it all into a blender and you keep the fiber intact, where juicing, you put it into a juicer, which extracts the fiber. So I personally prefer blending smoothies. So the question, the greens powder.
So why not just blend up some food?
Well, you could, absolutely. You could go that route. I like the greens powder because at the end of the day, it's actually cheaper.
And you know what's the other thing? Is it's more diverse.
Oh yeah, it's way more diverse.
More
if you look at the
diverse,
ingredients on a greens powder, you're getting things in there that you would never find at a grocery store.
Well, and even if you could, like say we like lived inside Whole Foods and we could just go pick out like a piece of each vegetable, your smoothie would be just freaking gigantic. And the thing with the greens powder is it's powder. So it's like super condensed. You're drinking like 6 ounces of fluid versus I don't even know how big it would be if you tried to do that with all those same vegetables.
In the greens powder, when you look at it, like those stuff that I use, and I'll put a link down below, like you can buy it. It looks expensive at the time, but if you think of how many vegetables you actually put into that blender to make that, it's much cheaper.
So lower cost, more convenient. There's a lot of reasons. Yeah.